If you're ready to unlock your potential and begin your journey to a successful and meaningful career in today's workforce, you're ready for Helms College. Whether you're drawn to the creativity and pace of culinary arts, the rewarding field of health services, hemodialysis training, or the high-demand sector of industrial trade like HVAC, Helms College equips you for a lasting career with real-world applications. Our classes are built on a foundation of experiential learning, where you'll roll up your sleeves and get the hands-on experience employers are looking for. Our instructors bring more than professional experience into the classroom. They provide guidance and care every step of the way. And employers recognize the quality of a Helms College education, knowing our graduates are not only skilled, but also passionate about their professions and ready to contribute from day one. At Helms College, students learn by doing. So if you're ready to change your life, you're ready for Helms College.
Helms helped me start my career. They can do the same for you.
Helms College. Do it, learn it, earn it.